Richard Mille Ultra Flat RMU P1 Ferrari. Main features are Richard Mille RMU. P1 Ferrari is an unprecedented achievement in watchmaking, holding the title of the world's thinnest mechanical watch at its launch. Case and controls. Material entirely machined from grade 5 titanium, providing extreme lightness, durability, and a technical aesthetic. The surfaces are satin finished with polished bevels. Case dimensions approximately 51 mm length, 39 mm width, 1.75 mm thickness. Its wide rounded rectangular tonneau shape is distinctly Richard Mille, despite its radical thinness. Integrated crowns. To maintain the ultra-thin profile, there is no protruding winding crown. Instead, there are two integrated flush-fitting rotating discs on the left side of the case. Function selector. Located between 10 and 11 o'clock, it allows selection of W winding or HA hand setting. Operating crown. Located between 7 and 8 o'clock. This disc is used to wind the barrel or set the time, depending on the function selected. Both integrated crowns feature black ceramic inserts to protect the bezel from wear. Water resistance, 10 meters. 1 atm, which is remarkable for such a thin watch and indicative of its robust engineering. Sapphire crystals, 2 incredibly thin sapphire crystals, 0.45 mm over the time display and 0.20 mm over the balance, protect the exposed parts of the movement. Ferrari branding. The iconic Ferrari prancing horse logo and other references are laser engraved onto the titanium case, a subtle yet powerful nod to the collaboration. The watch is assembled with 13 grade 5 titanium spline screws. Strap material, high-quality black rubber strap designed for comfort and durability, complementing the watch's technical and sporty aesthetic. Clasp, matching titanium pin buckle. Exclusivity, limited edition. The Richard Mille RMU P1 Ferrari is produced in a highly exclusive limited edition of 150 pieces. Price, due to its record-breaking engineering, complexity, and extreme rarity. It commanded a list price of over $1,880,000 USD at its launch, making it one of the most expensive and sought-after timepieces in the world.